Hi, my name is Mandy, and I'm presenting on the Cornaceae family, or otherwise known as the dogwood family. I got my information from a couple different sources, wildflowersandweeds.com, which looked like it got information from Botany in a Day. Also, The Boreal Herbal by Beverly Gray, as well as A Field Guide to Alaskan Wildflowers by Verna Pratt. So a brief overview of the dogwood family. They're typically trees, shrubs, and woody plants that grow in the woods, tundra, or low alpine areas. The family is notorious for being pretty controversial. A lot of the main genera have been added and removed over time, which makes it pretty confusing to know what exactly is considered to be in the Cornaceae family. There are two main genera in North America, called Elandrum and the Cornaceae. A brief overview of what these plants look like. Usually they have opposite or whorled leaves. A lot of them have showy bracts, whitish bracts, which people typically think are the flowers, but the flowers are hidden and smaller, clustered in the middle. Typically there's 4 or 5 sepals and 4 or 5 stamens. A couple different plants are native to Alaska, one of which I have here. This is called bunchberry or dwarf dogwood, or Cornus canadensis. So as you can see, there are 4 white showy bracts in the middle with the stamens coming up from those bracts. There is also a whorled leaf structure here. The leaves are also netted, so they're dicots. I haven't found any medicinal or edible purposes for these plants. The Boreal Herbal mentioned that the plants were used traditionally in pipe ceremonies, tobacco ceremonies. And then I found in Alaskan Wildflowers that some pilgrims have made a pudding from the berries, but later on it gave them a stomachache. So maybe not recommended to use as food. So that's all I have to share about Cornaceae, and I hope you learned something.